Section 1. Stop guessing, start earning. Why your niche choice is everything. Are you tired of hearing that affiliate marketing is easy? You read stories about people making thousands of dollars a month, but when you try, you hear crickets. No clicks, no sales, no money. The problem is not your effort. The problem is your niche. Choose a niche that actually pays. What if I told you AI software alone is set to hit over $465 billion this year? This isn't a guess. It's a fact from a 2026 Fortune BI report. Massive money is flowing into specific areas. Position yourself to catch some of it. It's the difference between writing to an empty room and speaking to a crowd ready to buy. You don't create demand. You channel demand that already exists. That makes your job much easier. Pick niches with hungry audiences and generous commissions. Section 2. Niche number 1. The AI and automation gold rush. SaaS. AI and SaaS aren't trends. They're changing how we work. This niche is exploding because these tools save time and make more money. The SaaS market is forecast to hit $465.03 billion in 2026. That scale means countless opportunities for affiliates. The magic is subscriptions. Most AI tools bill monthly or yearly. Refer a customer, earn a percentage as long as they stay. A $50 plan at 30% nets you $15 every month. Stack referrals and your income compounds. Promote essentials like AI writers, Jasper, WriteSonic, and AI video editors like Pictory or Descript, or automation platforms, Zapier and MakeSave Hours weekly. Many pay 20%, 50% recurring. Section 3. Niche number 2. The digital bodyguard. Every day brings another breach or scam. People and businesses are more concerned than ever. Global spending is projected to exceed $520 billion by 2026, more than double a few years ago. Attacks cost thousands, or millions, and ruin finances. High stakes make customers invest, and companies pay affiliates well. You're selling protection and peace of mind. Popular products include VPNs, password managers, and antivirus software. Brands like NordVPN, Surfshark, and 1Password are household names. Expect $400 per sale. Some hybrid models add smaller recurring renewals. Start with honest reviews. Explain real-world benefits like public Wi-Fi safety. Be transparent. Credibility is your biggest asset. This niche covers the two most important topics, money and health. These are called YMYL niches, your money or your life. The global wellness market is racing toward $9 trillion. Finance apps make saving and investing easier than ever. Wealth plus health, one evergreen affiliate opportunity. The decisions are high value, worth thousands over time. Quality supplements can improve life outcomes. Companies pay well for meaningful referrals, but you must be trustworthy, accurate, and transparent. Add clear all your disclaimers and cite your sources. Examples: high-yield savings accounts, micro-investing apps, budgeting software, premium health and CBD products, and home testing kits. Finance may pay flat fees, wellness pays 5%, 30%. A $150 bottle at 30% is a $45 commission. Document your experience. Summarize expert sources. More than ever, people buy based on values. Conscious consumers seek products that help the planet. Shoppers pay an average 9.7% more for sustainable products. It's a cultural shift, not a fad. This builds loyal, motivated audiences for affiliates. The niche often features high-ticket items. Value includes positive impact beyond the product. A solar kit can cost thousands. Even a small percentage yields meaningful commissions. Buyers want savings, and they want impact. Promote solar kits, e-bikes, compost systems, energy-saving smart devices, smart thermostats, efficient appliances, reusables, organic clothing, and eco-friendly baby products. The way we work has changed forever. Remote work is standard for millions. Home offices are booming, and so is spending. People invest in comfort, productivity, and efficiency. Better chairs, better desks, better software. Home fitness alone is nearly 10 baht. 2 reasons it pays: mid-high-ticket products and recurring software subscriptions. Desks and chairs run $500, $1,500. A 10% commission on $1,000 is $100. Monitors, webcams, and mics also convert well. Software, PM tools, time trackers, online learning, nomad essentials, travel backpacks, portable screens, global data. Beginners, do workspace tours and day-in-the-life vlogs. Explain choices, show real benefits. Use builds trust, and sales follow. You now know 5 of the most profitable niches for 2026: AI and SaaS, cybersecurity, personal finance and longevity, sustainability, remote work. These aren't random, they're backed by billions in spend and clear demand. They enable high-ticket sales and recurring commissions. Information doesn't pay, action does. Your first task is simple: choose one. Don't tackle all 5 at once. Pick one product in that niche. Join the affiliate program. Create one helpful piece, blog, 2-minute video, or social how-to. Don't aim for perfect. Publish and learn. One $1,000 sale at 10% equals $110 sales, and it's less work. One recurring customer beats a one-time buyer. Start today. Pick your niche. Pick your product. Create your first piece of content. If this video helped you build a bridge between where you are and where you want to be, hit that like button to help other beginners find their way. And don't forget to subscribe so we can build the next bridge together. See you in the next video.